Today we're going to make a game called shoot.py. Let's see how to run it, the code, play it, and then start writing it. This is how you play. You have the mouse on the screen. You have to hit the apple to win. You can only hit the apple. If you miss, it says you missed. Over here it says good shot. And then if you use it, and then you have to close it. That's the game we're gonna make today. So this is the code we're gonna do today. So first we need to find the picture for it. It's in Google. You can find any picture you want in Google here. My pictures are this the first, orange and apple. So let's start writing the code. First, let's save as first. Save it anywhere you want. I'm going to save it in my desktop. In my Python file. And I'm going to save it over here. I'm going to save it as shoot. You don't need to write shoot.py. Press save. You can use shoot.py. The name has to be shoot.py or shootapple.py. You can have any name you want. First, let's import the PGC one. Next, we have to write. We're gonna write this code. It means like a random. You can have a random number, like a random number 10 to 800, any number in there. Next, let's write the actor. This you have to write. You can have more than one character or more, or just one character. I have 2 characters in my game. Next, let's make the function to draw the apple, and let's make the function to draw the actors. This one is the function. It's called draw. First, here's what you have to write in the function. This line is to draw the apple. Then the second line is to draw the orange. Let's go to the next function. Place apple. It's like the function to place the apple like where in the screen. The function name is place apple. This line is for the X, for the apple.x. It can be anywhere. It's random in the number 10 and 800. Next is for the Y. So it's the same as the X, but the difference is on the Y. It's not the X of the apple. The next code is the same, but it's for the orange. But the number is different. So when it is different, the apple and the orange is not on top of each other. Next, this function is for for the game. If it's like if our mouse hit the apple, then it'll print good shot, and then it'll place the apple in orange again. Else, if it miss, then it'll write you miss and quit from the game. This line is like if apple collide mouse, it prints good shot. For this line is for the apple collide. So here, if apple that collide points, it means collide the mouse. Then print good shot. This line is to place the apple. Is calling this function. So when we hit it, it replaces someone else. But if it doesn't collide, if the mouse doesn't collide, like if we don't press on the apple, then it will print you miss. And when it hits you miss, then it quit. So it's like it closed the game. Now we have to call the function again. Then this last line is to make the PG so we can play it. We finished with the code now. Try running it. Yeah. Here's the game. Look, here's your mouse, right? You see that? You see the black square underneath your mouse. It follows you where you go, right? If you hit the apple, it says good shot over here. So if you keep on hitting it, done. But if you hit something else, like this black or the orange, then the game ends. Bye. See you later for the next lesson.